An Android update can change app permissions, background activity settings, and compatibility settings, which can stop rewarded play from tracking games correctly. By the end, you'll know how to check the common Android settings that can fix rewarded play problems after an update. Start by updating both rewarded play and the game you are trying to complete offers for. Open the Google Play Store, check your available updates, and install any pending versions. If rewarded play opens but your game progress is not being detected, open the game from inside the rewarded play app instead of launching it directly from your home screen. Next, restart your Android phone. A system update can leave background processes running differently, and restarting the device refreshes those connections. Check your app permissions after the Android update. Open your phone settings, find rewarded play, and confirm that the app still has the permissions it needs. Battery optimization is another setting to check. Some Android phones limit background activity to save battery, and that can affect apps that need to monitor progress while another game is running. If the issue started immediately after the Android update, clear the rewarded play app cache. Go to your phone settings, open the apps section, select rewarded play, and clear the cache option if it is available. Do not clear app data unless you understand the effect. Clearing data can remove local app information and may require you to sign in again. If only one game is not working, test another game offer inside rewarded play. A problem with one game does not always mean the entire app is broken. You should also check your internet connection. Some rewards and progress updates require the app to communicate with its servers correctly. If rewarded play still does not work, contact support and include your Android version, phone model, rewarded play app version, and details about when the issue started. Main fixes are updating the apps, launching games through rewarded play, checking permissions, adjusting battery settings, and restarting your device. Try these steps before reinstalling the app because many Android update problems come from changed settings rather than a damaged installation. If this guide helped you fix rewarded play after an Android update, subscribe for more reward app troubleshooting guides and practical fixes.